Okay, this is a video on the assembly of the quick release. On your quick release, we want to remove the screw from the back of the quick release. And what this screw does is it holds the quick release in place. And what we can undo the thumb screw, loosen it, turning it counterclockwise. I'm going to pull everything apart here so you can see what it looks like. That's everything laid out. We'll take our thumb screw, put our metal washer on, and we want to have the curved side of the washer towards the quick release clamp. Thumb screw goes through there. We have our plastic washer, and we want to do the same thing. The curved side needs to go against the quick release. Our thumb barrel screw, this is the way it goes on there. I'm just showing you, but we need to put it into the quick release lever first, and then thread our thumb screw into it. And then we need to put our screw back in our quick release after we get it on the down tube.